بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will be having our enrichment activities for the second year. My name is teacher Inaz Al-Hadathi. So as you can see, we have our enrichment activities number 1, where we will try to cover the most important information that we learn throughout our semester. So let's start. So basically, this is a revision trying to cover some of the most important information that you might for a reason have missed. So this will be your chance. Now, by looking at this picture, here I have one guy is waving to another guy in front of his house. Which unit do you think we'll be talking about? Actually, yes, we'll be talking about unit number 3, neighbors and friends. Neighbors and friends. We'll be trying to cover the most important information that we have in this unit, neighbors and friends, unit number 3. By the end of our enrichment activities, we'll be revising unit 3. We'll be trying to remember how to write a letter and also describe feelings. Let's start. Let's start by WH questions. What do I mean by WH questions? These are the words that indicate information. So, if I ask you, for example, where is your house? You will not give me a short answer, a yes, no answer. No, you will be giving me an information. My house is next to the mosque. My house is at the end of the road, or so on. And if I need to have the reason or know the reason of something, I'll be asking the question why. Okay, so WH questions, it depends on the question you're using for the information you are seeking. So let's start with the first one. Here I have the WH word who. So if I use who, then I need to know a name of a person. Okay, who is that boy? Okay, who is your role model? Who is your friend? My brother Ali. So here the answer, this is the answer that I'm looking for. Who is that boy? My brother Ali. While if I use when, I'm seeking for a different information. Okay? When is the party? When do you sleep? Here the answer must indicate time. I'm asking about the time here. When is the party? On Friday at 2 o'clock. When do you go to school? At 6:30. When do you sleep? At 9 o'clock, and so on. So when is used when I'm looking for a time. How about what? We use what if I need to ask about something or about an action. Okay? What is on the table? So here I'm asking about something. What's on the table? There is a pencil. There is a pencil. Okay, that's my pencil. Okay. As I mentioned before, I use why to know a reason. Okay, why are you late? I need a reason. Because I missed my bus. Why are you sad? Because I failed the test. Okay, so here I'm looking for another information. Where is used when we need to know about a place or a location of something. For example, where is your book? The place of the book. Now, where is the book? It is in the bag. It is in the bag. Very good. So where is the book? It is in the bag. Now, let's try to complete this exercise together, my dear student. Here, I need you to complete with the correct WH word. How can we know? By reading the answers. For example, the first one, is she? She is my sister. So because I asked about a person, the question must be who? Who is she? She is my sister. Who is she? She is my sister. While for the second one here, I'm asking about an animal, a thing. Okay? So to ask about thing or something, I'll be using the question word what. What is that? It is a mouse. What is that? It is a mouse. Now let's go to the other part. Is he happy? Because he has got a new car. So here we have a reason for his happiness. So the question word is why. Why is he happy? Because he has got a new car. Last one. Here I have yesterday in the answer. I have a time, right? So when did he arrive? When did he arrive? Yesterday. So let's read our questions one more time. Who is she? She is my sister. What is that? It's a mouse. Why is he happy? Because he has got a new car. When did he arrive? Yesterday. Very good, my dear student. How about this one? Now you know what are you supposed to do. For the first one, he is at the cinema. So here I have a place, right? I have a place, a location. The question is, where is he? Where is he? He is at the cinema. Next. It is a present. I'm asking about something, a thing. It is a present. What is that? It is a present. Very good. Next one. Because he is ill. I have a reason. He is ill. Why is he sad? Because he is ill. Next one. I have next week. Here again I have a time. When is the exam? When is the exam? Next week. Very good. So let's read our questions one more time. Where is he? He is at the cinema. What is that? It's a present. Why is he sad? Because he is ill. When is the exam? Next week. Next week. Very good, my dear student. Now, also in this unit, we learned how to write a letter. What do I mean by a letter? Let me try to refresh your memory. This is a picture of a letter. A letter must indicate 5 things. It must have a date, greeting, a body, closing, and a signature. Okay? As you can see here in the example, let me explain. Here I have a greeting. I have the greeting in green. How do I greet another person? How do I start my letter to a friend or to my boss or to my pen friend, for example? By saying, dear, hi, hello, assalamu alaikum. This is how we greet the other person, the person who will receive our letter. Dear Sally, for example. Next one, I have the body. It's also written in green. The body is the thing that we write all the important information in. Okay, why? The reason why are we writing our letter? Do we need to give our friends our news? Do we need to ask for a favor? Do we need to apologize for something? We will have this information in the body here. And then we must conclude or end it with our signature. Who's writing this letter? Who's writing this letter? You must write your name at the end of the letter. Now, let me show you examples of different kind of letters. Different examples. As you can see here. Here I have a letter. Okay, let's read. I have a date, October 12th to 2014. And I have the greeting, as you can see, dear Sarah. So the person receiving this letter is Sarah. How do I greet her? By saying dear Sarah or hello Sarah. Now then I have the body. Here I have all the important information that I want to tell Sarah about. Let's read. How are you? I hope you are having fun in school. Have you made any new friends? And so on. Goes on. This is the information I want to tell my friend. Now, how can I end my letter? By writing 2 things. Closing, your friend, or take care, or write back to me. Okay? And then you must end it with your name. End a letter always with your name. Okay? This is another example. Okay? I have the heading where you have the date, greeting, I have the body, the closing, and the signature. This is another example. Here we must write the address if we want to receive a reply to our letter. If we are receiving this through a regular mail, then we must indicate the date. How to greet, as I told you, we must say dear, to, hi, hello, okay? And then I have your letter or the body. Then don't forget to write the closing paragraph by saying farewell, take care, best of wishes, see you soon, and write your names at the end. Now, here, let's fill in this letter together. Let's try to write, for example, the heading, February 2021. For example, this is the date that we wrote our letter in. And then how do I write the greeting? How do I start my letter? By saying, very good, by saying hi and or hello and the name of the person who will be reading our letter. Okay, hello Sarah, hi Ahmed. And then here I have the body. What do I need from that person? Why am I writing this letter? Okay, then we have the closing. For example, take care. And then our names, Mona, Inas, Ali, Muhammad. Write your names at the end with your signature. Okay, now I need you to look at these faces and tell me what's the first thing that comes to your mind. What do I have here? Here I have, are they giving us the same expressions? No, because they are going through different feelings. So here I have different feelings or different emotions, right? So I have different feelings. For example, try to describe that blue face for me. Is he okay? Is it okay? Actually, it looks sad. While for the pink one, I have a happy face, I have a mad face, and so on. Here we will be talking about feelings and emotions. If I want to know the other person's feelings, I often go with and use this question. How do you feel today? How do you feel today, my dear friends? I hope you are happy. So, to answer this question, how do you feel today? We might answer by saying, I am happy, or I am sad, or I am tired, I am angry, I am excited, and I am proud. So, as you can see, different feelings, different emotions. How do I know about the other person's feelings? By asking questions. How do you feel today? How do you feel today, my dear student? Now, let me ask you about this boy. How do you think he feels? How does he feel? He feels angry. Very good. He looks very angry, okay? He is angry. Very good. How about this boy? He's not angry now, right? He needs to drink water. Obviously, he is thirsty. Very good. He is thirsty. So I have another feeling or another emotion. He is thirsty. Excellent. How about this boy? Now, he's not thinking about water anymore. He needs to eat. Probably because he is hungry. Hungry. Very good. So I have an angry boy, a thirsty boy, and I have a hungry boy. How about this boy? How does he feel? What do you think? How does he feel, my dear student? He is sad. Very good. He is sad. He looks sad. He is sad. Very good. How about this man? How does he feel? How does he feel? He feels sleepy. Very good. He feels sleepy. Excellent. So far we talked about angry, thirsty, hungry, sleepy, sad, and I have this clown who looks funny. Very good. He makes us laugh because he is funny. Funny. Very good. And here I have the boy at school and he looks so lazy. He looks so lazy. Very good. So I have a lazy boy. Now how about this boy? How does he feel, my dear student? He feels so happy. Very good. So I have a happy boy. I have a happy boy. Now I have the same boy here who's going through different feelings. Now I need you to write the correct feeling under each picture. For the first one, he is sleepy. Very good. He is sleepy. Now for the next one, he is sad. He is sad. Very good. And the last one, he is angry. Very good. He is very angry. So I have sleepy, sad, angry. Very good. Now, I need you to have your books open at page 54. Page 54. I'll be zooming in for the upper part and then move to the lower one. Okay, for the upper part here. Read and complete this letter. Okay, so as you can see here, I have a letter that misses some of the words that we need to complete. Okay, and then we'll be reading it together. Hello, my name is, and I am from. So let's try to complete the places here. Hello, Ali. My name is Sami, and I am from Kuwait. Very good. So let's read together. Let's read this part. Hello, Ali. My name is Sami, and I am from Kuwait. I am a student at the 5th primary school. I am 11 years old. How about you? How old are you? Here is a photo of me and one of my friends. He is my cousin too. His name is Fahad and he is very funny. Right back soon. So let's read together. Hello, Ali. My name is Sami and I am from Kuwait. I am a student at 5th primary school. I am 11 years old. How about you? How old are you? Here is a photo of me and my friend and one of my friends. He is my cousin too. His name is Fahad and he is very funny. Right back soon, Sami. Okay, so here I have a letter. Try to complete it, okay, and practice reading the letter several times. Okay, so let's start with the first picture. I hope you get this one correctly. So how does the first boy feel? How does he feel? He feels obviously happy. Very good. He looks happy. How about the second one? He is grabbing some food because he is hungry. Very good. Number one, hungry. While for the third picture, what do you think? The answer is thirsty. Number 4, thirsty. Excellent. And for the last one, he looks sad. He looks sad. I hope you get the correct numbers. Now, let's revise what we have learned in our enrichment activities. We learned how to write a letter. Also, we learned how to describe feelings. How do you feel today, my dear student? I hope you are happy. So that was my enrichment activities. And until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.